Good morning dear kids. Now in today class we will learn sound of vowel E. Okay, आज हम कौन सा vowel पढ़ेंगे? Vowel E. So here is picture and here is a spelling. Okay, जिससे कि first is net. Which picture of this? This is a picture of net and spelling is N-E-T, net. Now next picture is pen. So what is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. Okay, so P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Then what is this? This is number 10. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Okay. Then this is a picture of web. Web means jal. Okay, and spelling is W-E-B, web. Okay, W-E-B, web. Okay dear kids, web means jal. Okay. Okay dear student, now let's start our work. Vowel E. Okay, and sound is A. Which picture of this? Yes, key. Key means chabi and spelling is K-E-Y, key. K sound is K, A sound is A, and Y sound is E. K, A, E, key. K, A, E, key. Okay, so let's start. K, E, Y, key. K, E, Y, key. K, E, Y, key. K, E, Y, key. And this is net. Okay, N sound is N, E sound is A, T sound is T. N, A, T, net. N, A, T, net. Okay, N, E, T, net. N, E, T, net. N, E, T, net. N, E, T, net. It is done. Our classwork is done. Here is homework. Okay. You will write both the pages. Okay, student. And turn your page. Okay, here is exercise. See the picture and write the missing vowel E. हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ा है वही उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स बनी है ना, उसमें के मिसिंग है. कौन सा वॉवेल मिसिंग है इसमें? वॉवेल ई है ना, उसको हमको लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज दिस? बेड. Okay, so B dash D. What is the missing here? E. Okay, B-E-D, bed. Then second is bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, L bell. This is a key. K dash Y. K E Y key. K E Y key. Next is net. N E T net. N E T net. Then 10. T dash N. T E N 10. And last is pen. P E N pen. Okay. Here is homework. You will complete all the pages and send your work in the WhatsApp group in the same day. Okay. Okay students, bye bye. Thank you.